When we think of Earth's surface, we often imagine a stable, unchanging landscape, but the reality is far more dynamic. Hidden beneath rolling hills, dense forests, and vast plains are scars left by some of the most cataclysmic events in planetary history. Asteroid impacts. And today, we journey to an asteroid impact in Adams County, Ohio to explore one such site, the Serpent Mound Impact Crater, a geological marvel with ties to, of course, ancient history, cosmic collisions, and the forces that shaped our very world. Nestled in the hills of southern Ohio lies Serpent Mound, a prehistoric effigy mound over 1,300 feet long, shaped like a coiled serpent. It's one of the most enigmatic and well-preserved examples of ancient indigenous American earthworks, and for centuries its origins and purpose have captivated archaeologists, historians, and researchers alike. But beneath this striking monument lies another mystery, an ancient impact crater barely visible on the surface yet profound in its implications. This is the story of how an extraterrestrial event millions of years ago shaped not only the land, but also may have influenced the cultures that called it home. The Serpent Mound Impact Crater, also known as the Serpent Mound Disturbance, was caused by an asteroid or comet that struck Earth roughly 300 million years ago during the Permian period. And to put that into perspective, this impact predates the age of the dinosaurs by about 70 million years. The asteroid likely hit with unimaginable force, releasing the energy equivalent of thousands of nuclear bombs. It obliterated the landscape, and it created a circular depression over 5 miles in diameter. But unlike some craters, such as the massive crater in Arizona, the Serpent Mound crater has been heavily eroded over time, making it difficult to see without advanced geological tools. The evidence for this ancient impact lies beneath the surface. Geologists have uncovered shatter cones. A shatter cone is a unique type of fractured rock that forms under extreme pressure, like the kind caused by a high-energy impact such as an asteroid. These cone-shaped structures radiate outward from the point of collision, acting as a fingerprint of the event on our world. Additionally, the area contains brecciated rock, a chaotic mixture of fragmented material fused together by the heat and pressure of the impact. The presence of these formations, coupled with the crater's circular shape, confirmed to scientists that indeed some sort of extraterrestrial body like an asteroid or comet had struck there. So what makes the Serpent Mound crater especially intriguing is its complex structure. It's classified as a quote-unquote complex crater, meaning it has a central uplift. A central uplift is a rebound effect caused by the Earth's crust springing back after the initial impact. Think of it like dropping a pebble into a pond. The initial splash creates ripples, but there's often a small upward spurt in the center. Over millions of years, erosion and geological processes have smoothed out the surface, but the underlying structure remains detectable through modern surveying techniques. In fact, drilling into the site has revealed deformed rocks deep below, further validating its impact origin. Now let's tie this ancient impact crater to the Serpent Mound itself. The effigy mound was built by, of course, indigenous peoples like the Adena culture around 1000 BC. Possibly a little bit later by the Fourth Ancient culture. It's still debated amongst, but more than likely the Adena culture. While there's no direct evidence linking the mound's creation to the impact crater in itself, the site's unique topography likely played a role in its selection. The crater's central uplift created an elevated ridge, providing a striking and sacred vantage point for constructing the mound. To ancient peoples, this land, with its unusual shape and dramatic views, may have carried a sense of spiritual significance. It's also worth noting that indigenous American cultures often associated serpents with cosmic and terrestrial power, adding another layer of intrigue to the location's history. The Serpent Mound isn't just a local curiosity, it's part of a broader narrative of Earth's tumultuous past. Impact craters are rare on our planet due to weathering and plate tectonics, which erase them over time. Yet they hold critical clues about the role of extraterrestrial forces in shaping Earth's surface and even influencing life's evolution. Some scientists theorize that asteroid impacts like this one could have played a role in mass extinction events or even delivered the building blocks of life to Earth itself. While the Serpent Mound impact wasn't large enough to cause a global devastation, it's a reminder of the violent processes that have shaped our planet. In recent decades, the Serpent Mound crater has become a focal point for geologists and archaeologists alike. Using advanced techniques like seismic imaging and radiometric dating, researchers continue to unravel the details of the impact and its aftermath. At the same time, the site remains a cultural and historical landmark, drawing visitors from around the world. The Serpent Mound itself is, of course, a protected site recognized as a National Historic Landmark. However, efforts to preserve both the mound and the surrounding geological features are ongoing, as natural erosion and human activity could pose challenges to preserving it. The Serpent Mound Impact Crater is a place where science and history collides, where ancient cultures and cosmic events intertwine, and it's a reminder of our planet's resilience and the enduring curiosity of those who seek to understand it. Whether you're a geologist, a historian, or simply a lover of mysteries, this site invites us all to dig a little bit deeper, both into the ground and into our imaginations.